Hi. Occasionally I get questions like this on the board where someone will ask me to help them find a journal article. And a lot of times there isn't a journal listed or, and I need that to find out where this journal resides. So if you do email a librarian and you ask for help to find a journal, please either send them the URL for the page where you found it on the web, or make sure you get the journal name. If you don't know if it's a journal or a book, just send them to the URL and give them as much information as you can find. So right now you can see that I've got a title here, Excessive Daydreaming, a Case History and Discussion of Mind Wandering and High Fantasy Proneness. We've got an author's name, two authors' names actually. So I can just take this title, since I don't have enough information right now, and copy it. So let's see what I just did. Anyway, so I'm going to copy this article title, copy it, and I'm going to open a web page and go back to Google. So I'm typing in Google. I'm going to throw that in there because what we want to know is this person going to have to pay for this journal, or is it located in our library? So there it is. And if I click on this, it's from PubMed, as you can see. Let me pull it out a little bit. On campus, I can get this just by clicking on Elsevier, because that's the company that puts out this journal, which is abbreviated here. I think it's Conscious and Cognition. Consciousness, or something like that, and Cognition. So you won't know that unless you look it up. So I'm going to take this information here, the date, and you can also take, let me see what happens if I click on this. There you go. It tells you right there, Consciousness and Cognition. So you know the name of the journal. Let me scoot this over a little bit so you can see that. There you go. Not all the web pages will do that, but that's really nice that they do that. And you know that you need 2009 March, and it's volume 18, issue 1, and those are the page numbers right there. This is the information that you need to show the librarian or tell the librarian so she can find out if we actually have this journal, this year, the volume, the issue that you need. Okay, and then we can go after the actual article. So if I take this information and I go to the library's homepage, so I'll do that right now. And scroll down real quick to the bottom of the page where it says Journal Locator. I can type in the name of the journal. You see it says Library Publications. That really means periodicals in this case. So we're going to type in Consciousness and Cognition, and there it is, and click on Search. Now earlier I clicked on this and I was confused when I saw the link. It looked like you were going to have to purchase the journal, but actually you don't have to. So if you're an HBU student, you'll have to log in with the same information you use for the portal or the my.hbu.edu information. But you remember you needed volume 2009, and this is saying Science Direct, that database has this, and Science Direct is actually put out by Elsevier, so that's how you know it linked up on the other page where we saw it, a link to Elsevier. So if I click on this, I need 2009. This is confusing because you see a sign in here, register here. You don't have to do that. Create an account. Probably this is to save your information. But if I open this a little bit larger, let me see if I can do that. Or scoot this over here a little bit. See, will it open larger? Don't think it will. But you can see where it says Houston Baptist University over there on the right corner. So let me take it back over, and we're in Science Direct. And it's not going to be in the latest issues, so I'm going to go to all issues. We know we need 2009, so I'm scrolling down through this journal to different volumes and issues. And I know I need 2009, so I'm going down. Here we go, 2009. And then I know I need issue 1 because I believe it was March. That's right. And I need volume 18, issue 1. And once it opens, you just scroll down through here. I'm looking for the first 2 words, excessive daydreaming. Now I'm not having to log in because I'm on campus, but in between the searching, you'll get a chance to log in. I'm scrolling on down. This actually starts on page 290, and you can see the page numbers here as you go down. I think it's under short communications. Going down, review article, short communications, and here's the article. And if I click on download the PDF, it should open it for us. Let's see if it does. And there it is. And that's quick, easy, in about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, how to get to that article. Okay, thank you and good hunting.